Well, what do we have here? It looks like a loaf in the corner. Yeah, it does. What kind of a look was that? That was pretty cute. Are you being a corner loaf, huh? Well, I think that's pretty cute. Who wouldn't want to see a nice little loaf in the corner? Yeah, of course. That's just the way it is. There's some things that you don't even have to say it. And this is one of them. Oh, look at that face. Oh, that's a pretty cute look, too. Yeah, this corner loaf is really acting sweet. Are you a sweet corner loaf, huh? Are you one of those sweet breads? Yeah, could be. Could be. Thinking about it. Well, I think you just have a good presence about you. There we go. There we go, sweetheart. Yeah, I just love seeing you sitting here like this. And you pick a nice corner to sit in, so you just look framed. Yeah, you just look framed all around. Well, I guess you're just going to keep the corner loaf pose. I'll just let you get back to it, okay? Yeah, yeah. I like watching you, I do. Yeah, I can't help it. Well, goodbye for now, little corner loaf.